This is Aliff Fazelbhoy, who works as a lawyer. So, Aliff, why don't you give us a brief synopsis of your career and what your main motive was for choosing such a path?
Thanks, Johan. Well, becoming a lawyer, there was no real major thought process into that. Unlike your generation, we did not have too much of career counseling and guidance. But my grandfather was a famous lawyer, solicitor, and I had heard a lot about him, though I never had the opportunity of meeting him. So I guess that was one of the motivating factors. But other than that, I think I just drifted into law after my graduation. Having said that, it was one of the best decisions of my life. During law college, I also worked and joined a small law firm as an article clerk where we did mostly property and litigation work, where I got a fantastic grounding. After that, when I completed my LLB, I was a gold medalist and fortunate enough to get a scholarship to study for my LL.M at Cambridge. And I also qualified as a solicitor. Once I came back from the UK, I joined a firm that specializes in M&A and international law. And that really gave a big lift to my career because the Indian economy was then opening up in 1991 and we were dealing with large multinationals, something which was completely new for me and a great thrill to work with, the biggest of the big companies around the world. I think from there my career took off, and I then started my own law firm in 1996. And today I'm a senior partner in my current law firm, ALMT Legal, where we do advise clients on all kinds of law from M&A, corporate tax, litigation, property, employment, uh, intellectual property, and others. So that's a brief summary of what's been happening in the last 32 years of my life.
All right. So, how how do you measure success?
That's a very interesting question. Different people have different yardsticks to measure success. For me, I would measure success based on the reputation and respect that I enjoy amongst my colleagues and the clients. To me, that is the most important thing. If people respect me as a lawyer who gives sound advice, who keeps client interest at heart, and respects me for my knowledge and the advice I give, that is the most important. Other things like money, status, power, of course, they are important, but nothing compared to respect and reputation in the market.
All right. So, what guidance do you have for someone who looks to pursue a career in law, a student?
First and foremost, I think you should enjoy what you're doing. You should like the law because if you don't like something, it can be very dry and boring. So you must like it. And once you like something, you will always do well, provided, of course, you put in the hard work and effort. Today, things are so much more competitive than they were at my time. So you have to put in that extra effort to impress your seniors, to make a mark for yourself, differentiate yourself from others. And for that, there is no substitute for hard work. So, two things mostly: like what you do and work hard, and then you will succeed. The sky is the limit.
All right. So, thank you, Alif. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Good luck.